We are back at the vintage Goodman Air Conditioners. Well, none of these are running this time. Let's see if any of them have been running well. This one's not. This one's also not. This one has been running well. Jeez, the fan motor's hot. It's like boiling hot. Even the Dakin isn't running. Like last time. I can't tell if it's been running because they're by a gate. Which if we can go through this gate, it'll be through. We'll have to go through another gate. That one, yeah, that one is gonna. This one and this one has never been running. Since this one's been running, we can just look at the data sheet, and it probably won't scare me. Yeah, I cannot see the manufacture date. Yeah, I can't see the manufacture date on the data sheet. That might be Copeland reciprocating. That's probably reciprocating. Yeah, that one. This one's also got a recip. Compressor. Right there. Let's see how much blades these units have. This one has 3 blades. This one also has 3 blades. And so does this here. This unit's got a GE fan motor. For this, it's the exact same fan motor. And for this one, you might not be able to tell. Oh, wait. This one must have like an A.O. Smith fan motor. Yeah, it probably has an A.O. Smith fan motor. I mean, yeah, these disconnect boxes look like. These disconnect boxes look like the original disconnect boxes. Yeah, these look like the original because they're all getting they're all rusted. Is it Dave and Buster's over there? Let's drink one more.